So what happened was that they tried to steal, and my staff, who was vigilant at the time, managed to stop them from taking. And then he gave me a call and told me that so and so is the incident that happened. So I immediately downloaded the footage on my phone and sent it to him. And I came to the shop and I just tried to take a round in the vicinity to see in case I happened to see them anywhere around. And I didn't find them, but then I saw a PCR van which was passing by, so I flagged them down and I told them so and so is the incident, sent them the video, and they told me to go to the police station and lodge a complaint. So by the time I took my staff and we went to the police station, and we were sitting there and waiting for the formalities, the police brought in 3 women and 2 children, and we identified that they were in fact the same people who had tried to steal some money from here. So I would like to thank the police for being very proactive and doing a good job. Should come here, would congratulate them and be thankful to them also.